Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to use the Goat Try-On feature, which is also known as the virtual try-on feature on Goat Sneaker and Apparel app. Now if you want to use the Goat Try-On feature or the virtual try-on feature on Goat app, make sure to watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. Now if you think that suits you and you want to try it before ordering it, but since it is an virtual try-on, you won't be able to try it physically, so you will think of trying it virtually, then you need to open the Goat app on a device and make sure that you are logged into your account. So this is the home page where you'll see there is option on it. After logging into your account, you need to find the sticker with AR try-on. So you'll see the option of browse, union elect collapse and various other things like this. So you may simply scroll down and you need to choose the option of sneakers with the try-on icon. So you need to select the icon which have the try-on icon in it, and you need to point your camera at the feet. So after finding the sneakers with the try-on icon, then you need to point the camera at your feet and the app will overlay a 3D sneaker models on your feet using the AR. So you may move and adjust the view accordingly, and you may walk around or tilt your phone to see the sneakers from the different angles, and you may also try different colorways and style in the real time. So by doing all of it, you will be able to use the try-on feature or the virtual try-on feature on the Goat Sneaker app. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.